Welcome, everyone. Today we will talk about a trending news topic in simple English. Our topic is the Epstein case. But remember, this video is only for English learning. We will not give opinions. We will not talk about shocking details. We will only use easy words to understand how news stories are told in English. Many students want to improve English. One good way is to learn English from real news. News helps you learn new words. News helps you understand real sentences. News helps you speak with confidence. Today, we will learn English with a calm and simple story style. We will also learn some important life lessons from this story. This is not a drama. This is not gossip. This is English learning with a real news topic. Let us begin. Introduction. Why people talk about the Epstein case. The name Epstein appears in news many times. Many people search this name on the internet. Many people talk about this case. It became a big topic in media. In simple words, this case is about a rich and powerful person and a serious investigation. The case shows how law, media, and society work together. It also shows why rules and responsibility are important. We will not discuss private or disturbing details. We will focus on words, ideas, and lessons. We will use this story to improve English. Today, you will learn words like investigation, court, evidence, media, responsibility, system, truth, justice. These words are common in news English. Let us understand them slowly and clearly. Lesson 1. News stories are about facts, not feelings. In news, writers talk about facts. Facts mean real information. News is not about emotions. News is not about opinions. Good news writing tries to stay neutral. In the Epstein case, media talked about an investigation, legal problems, court process, public discussion. The word investigation means careful checking of facts. Police and officials collect information. They look for evidence. The word evidence means proof, information that helps the court understand the truth. When you read news, remember one thing. Do not read with anger. Do not read with hate. Read to understand English and information. This is a good habit for English learners. Calm reading builds strong understanding. Lesson 2. Media plays a big role. The word media means TV, newspapers, websites, social media. Media tells people what is happening in the world. In big cases, media works very fast. They share updates. They share reports. They share interviews. But a good learner must be careful. Not all information is the same. Some news is confirmed. Some news is only discussion. This is why we must learn this word, verified. Verified means checked, confirmed, proven by facts. Good English learners read verified news. They do not believe everything quickly. They learn to think clearly. Lesson 3. The meaning of court and law. In many news stories, you see the word court. Court is a place where judges work. Court decides what is right and what is wrong. The word law means rules of a country. Everyone must follow the law. Rich or poor, famous or unknown, strong or weak. This is an important lesson. In a good society, law is above everyone. No one is bigger than the law. For English learners, remember these simple sentences. The court listens to the case. The court looks at evidence. The court makes a decision. These sentences are very common in news English. Lesson 4. Why responsibility matters. One big word in news stories is responsibility. Responsibility means owning your actions, accepting results, not blaming others. In life, responsibility is very important. In society, responsibility is very important. In leadership, responsibility is very important. When people do not take responsibility, problems grow. When people take responsibility, trust grows. This is a simple life lesson. Strong people accept responsibility. Weak people run from responsibility. English sentence practice. A responsible person accepts mistakes. A responsible person follows rules. A responsible person respects the system. Lesson 5. The role of the system. The word system means a group of rules and processes. Police system, court system, legal system. A system helps society work in order. Without a system, there is confusion. Without rules, there is chaos. In big cases, the system is tested. People watch if the system works fairly. People watch if the system is strong. For English learners, remember this word, process. Process means steps, stages, a way to do something slowly and correctly. Legal cases follow a process. Decisions do not come in one day. They take time. They need patience. Lesson 6. Do not rush to judge. In news, many people judge very fast. They see one headline. They make one opinion. They do not wait for full information. This is not a good habit. A calm person waits. A smart person reads more. A wise person understands the process. Good English learners also do this. They do not jump to conclusions. They read slowly. They learn carefully. Simple sentence. Wait for facts. Wait for reports. Wait for clear information. Lesson 7. Learn English words from this topic. Let us revise some easy words. Investigation means careful checking. Court means place of legal decision. Evidence means proof. Media means news sources. Law means rules of a country. Responsibility means owning your actions. System means organized way of working. Process means steps to do something. Try to make your own simple sentences. The media reports the case. The court studies the evidence. The law is important for society. Responsibility builds trust. The system works step by step. This is how you grow your English. Lesson 8. Why calm language is powerful. In serious topics, calm language is better. Shouting does not help. Anger does not help. Clear words help. News English is usually calm. It is not emotional. It is not dramatic. It is simple and direct. This is a good style for learners. You learn how to speak clearly. You learn how to explain things simply. Practice this. Speak slowly. Use simple words. Explain step by step. Lesson 9. Focus on learning, not drama. Many people like drama. Many people like shocking stories. But drama does not improve your English. Learning improves your English. Reading improves your English. Listening improves your English. Speaking improves your English. So when you see a trending topic, ask yourself, what words can I learn? What sentences can I practice? What ideas can I understand? This mindset makes you smarter. Lesson 10. Real-life lesson from news stories. Every big news story teaches something. Some teach about law. Some teach about responsibility. Some teach about society. Some teach about mistakes. The most important lesson is this. Actions have results. Rules are important. Systems matter. Truth matters. And for you as a student, one more lesson. Use everything to learn. Even news can become a classroom. Simple reading practice paragraph. Let us read together in easy English. The media reports many cases every day. Some cases become very famous. People talk about them. But the court works slowly and carefully. The court looks at evidence. The law follows a process. Responsibility is important for everyone. A good system needs patience and honesty. Read this slowly. Read this clearly. This is good practice for beginners. Lesson 11. How to talk about news in simple English. You can say, this is a news story. This story is about an investigation. The court is part of the process. The media reports the updates. The law decides the result. These are safe and simple sentences. You do not need hard words. Simple English is powerful English. Lesson 12. Build your English every day. Do not wait for motivation. Do not wait for perfect time. Read a little every day. Listen a little every day. Speak a little every day. This is how English grows. Slowly, steadily, strongly. Even one news story can teach you many words. Even one video can improve your confidence. Conclusion. Today, we talked about the Epstein case only for English learning. We learned how news language works, what important words mean, why calm and clear English is better. Remember, this channel is for learning, not for drama, not for hate, not for fear. Use every topic to grow your mind. Use every story to improve your English. Stay calm, stay curious, keep learning. If this video helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more easy English stories and lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.